Bitcoin is currently trading at $61,000. Are we really going to see Bitcoin hit $500,000 this bull run? As analysts and technical traders have been predicting Bitcoin to hit its craziest all-time highs that we've ever seen before, and this bull run to be the biggest bull run we've ever seen before. Get ready for this video. Now, before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to stay tuned to the latest and greatest crypto news. And like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Now, we're going to start the video off looking at a post on the CoinMarketCap community tab. We see BTC and ETC net inflow for July 1st, 2024, up 120 or plus 129 million. No US Bitcoin ETFs saw an outflow yesterday. Fidelity FBTC saw its largest single day inflows at $56 million. Both BlackRock and Grayscale experienced net flows of $0 yesterday. Overall, the net flow remains a positive for 5 consecutive trading days, and we can see follow them for more great news. It's absolutely great to see that the inflow has been in the positive, in the green, which is absolutely massive for Bitcoin. Now, going over to the overall crypto market, guys, we're still in the red. We're down 1.5% of the market. In terms of week, it's been a pretty bloody week. I don't want to say pretty bloody, but it has been a red week. Fear and greed index currently at 48, slowly creeping back into green again. We're dancing around 44 just a couple of days ago, so it's glad to see that we're moving in the right direction. At a $61,000 Bitcoin, when do we anticipate this flip, and how high is it going to go? We see Bitcoin trending at number 2 on CoinMarketCap as well, was anticipating some green ahead. On the month, we're down a whopping 10%, and it looks like we are going to make a recovery very, very soon. Now, let's go into the technical reports to see what's going on. We see oscillators are neutral, however, moving averages are in strong sell, giving us a summary of sell. Then we take this to the week summary, and then we're getting a buy as moving averages are in the buy, oscillators are in the neutral, and we take this back a little bit more to the 1 month summary, and we're seeing moving averages are in strong buy, summaries in buy, and the oscillators are in neutral, meaning some pretty bullish anticipation for Bitcoin ahead. Now we're gonna jump over to X, as there's a ton of news that we're seeing for Bitcoin that's anticipating some bullish behaviors. First of all, we see the Bitcoin MACD crossing up. We can see over here, right here, breaking through here and breaking through in this up direction. Daily MACD crossing is in the green, so we're anticipating to see this cause a bullish pattern to see Bitcoin go in the up direction. Now we can see Bitcoin bull run begins, and then we're seeing a chart highlighting the last or 2 bull runs ago, 2014 to 2017, and we see a nice curving basing, and then we see 2022 to 2025, same thing, and this one's predicting we could go all the way up to $500,000 if the same pattern tends to repeat itself. Now guys, between the ETFs and all the new money to the market, it could go this way, it could go a bit higher, it could go lower. $500,000 is a bullish prediction, especially for 2025. I don't have any doubt that we'll see $1 million Bitcoin in the future, but in this short span, 18-month span, I don't know about $500,000, 250, potentially 6 figures, absolutely, definitely. So we see big news. SEC could approve Ethereum's ETF as soon as July 4th, as per Ruprints. So that's absolutely breaking news, as once we get that ETF go live, it's going to go absolutely ballistic for Ethereum, bring it back to $4,000 ETH, and hopefully some of that action is going to help pump Bitcoin. Now we see some more news. This is from CNBC, okay? $150,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year is still likely. And let's go ahead and play this very short video. It's just 30 seconds. Let's go ahead.
Bitcoin's probably suffering from the Mt. Gox, starting distributions in July. That was a huge overhang for many years. But if I was investing in crypto knowing that one of the biggest overhangs is going to disappear in July, I think it's a reason to actually expect a pretty sharp rebound in the second half. So I think 150 is still within.
It's already July 1st, so that's so you're not taking that off the table. That's still a possibility.
That's right. Bitcoin.
So it's absolutely bullish to see it rebound absolutely crazy in July is definitely what we anticipate to see what happening, and it's good to hear reporters and analysts believing the same thing. When BlackRock has $500,000 Bitcoin and they're pushing prices to 1 million, BlackRock will make $1.25 billion in fees every year forever. That's absolutely massive. And again, if the price of Bitcoin goes even higher, then there we go, even more money in the pocket of BlackRock. Remember guys, these massive companies, they don't invest $1 without knowing what their profit margins are going to look like, and this is absolutely a calculated approach. We see more bullish news, again, same pattern predictions. 2012, we saw $150 Bitcoin. 16, we saw $7,600 Bitcoin. 2022, we saw close to $60,000 Bitcoin. And now, are we going to see a $340,000 Bitcoin? Again, $340,000 Bitcoin sounds absolutely insane, especially for 2025. But again, $150,000 to $200,000 sounds quite reasonable. But again, these are chat patterns that tend to repeat themselves. Therefore, people are making these predictions not just on their own whim. We see breaking news. Someone bought 7,735 Bitcoin worth $475 million on Binance. While retail is panicking, whales are buying more. And that's a common trend we see, guys. Every time these cryptos are pumping, the retail starts buying. Every time they're dumping, retail starts to sell. Every single time, it's the shrimps. It's a small fish that end up losing money, where the whales see the opportunities. So time to start flipping your investor psychology. If the whales are spending this much money in Bitcoin, they obviously anticipate something massive is going to happen. Whether that's insider information or just reading the charts, there's something there, and the whales are seeing it. It's always guys like me and you, the retail guys, who end up losing if we don't make these thoughtful and educated decisions. We see breaking news, founder of Dell, billionaire Michael Dell, likely to buy a huge amount of Bitcoin very soon, as everyone seems to be on top of Bitcoin, wanting to load up on Bitcoin. Bitcoin to break $150,000 if Trump wins presidency. Standard charted. Trump presidency is not priced in. The whole moral story, guys, is looks like this bull run, we are going to absolutely crush at least $150,000 in terms of price prediction, and maybe on the extreme high end $500,000. But regardless of the fact, we're looking somewhere between $150,000 to $500,000 Bitcoin at the peak of this bull run. I mean, if you bought in right now at $60,000, you're going to see tremendous profits, anywhere up from a 3 to 5x gains. Not only that, but holding the largest cryptocurrency in terms of market. Now, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more crypto videos just like this. Until next time, it's your friend Omar. Peace.